Hey guys, welcome back to Video Tech. I'm your host Mayank, and first of all, Happy New Year 2018 to all of you out there. And today in this video, I'm going to unbox this little product, which is the Mivi smart car charger. So hope you all like this video. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, then please go and subscribe by clicking that red subscribe button down there somewhere. So watch this video till the end to know the inside contents of this box. Okay guys, so let's unbox this product. Here you can see the box. It is a very small box, and on the top you can see the logo, and here you can see the picture of the Mivi smart charger, and it's giving a 3.1 ampere output. So it's a very good, it's a quick charger. And here you can see there are two USB, so you can charge two devices at a time. So moving on to the back, you can see here it has a smart IC which detects devices connected to it automatically, and it has ultra protection. So if sometimes the battery gives excess power, and it will control that power and it will give to the device accordingly. And it has universal compatibility, means if you are having a cable like USB to micro USB, then it is compatible. Like if you are having cable like USB to USB type C, which are commonly used in like some of the new laptops and iPad Apple products, so it is compatible with those also. The design is very compact. So as you can see here, you will also see inside this, and it gives takes an input from 12 volt DC to 24 volt DC. If your car has a socket with 12 volt DC, then it is compatible, and if it has a socket of 24 volt DC, then it is also compatible. And at last, it will give 3.1 ampere and 5 volt total output, and 15 watt up to power it consumes. So as you have seen this box, it comes with a 1-year warranty from the Mivi. So let's unwrap this packet. Okay, so at the top you get a manual, very small manual, Mivi branding on the top. Quality now has a new name, their statement, and inside they have a WhatsApp number through which you can call them and support required. And you have to go to this website to register your product, which comes with a 1-year warranty from Mivi. So let's keep this aside. And here is the very small, cute charger from Mivi. I don't see anything in the box, so that's all was in this box. Here you can see the Mivi branding, USB, and another USB and light. So here you can see two USB outlets. So from here you can connect your devices, and it will give a 3.1 ampere power output. So if you will connect a device from here, and it will automatically detect the power demand for that device, and it will provide that demand to your device. So it is a very quick smart charger. So if you want to buy this, I am giving the link in the description below. So go and buy from that link. And let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. So hope you all like this video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button. Till then, happy watching. Jai Hind.